Photo Lieutenant Junior Grade 1 Pablo Vielma, United States Navy. It has been more than a week since Hurricane Maria wreaked devastation on Puerto Rico, destroying the power grid and leaving millions without immediate access to necessities. Emergency supplies of food, water and gas have begun to arrive at ports, but trucks cannot deliver these needed supplies across the island. Many roads are wrecked or blocked off, and the island faces fuel shortages. There has been intense criticism of the Trump administration's response to the growing humanitarian crisis, although the president has defended the government's actions. Above USNS Comfort departs Naval Station Norfolk on the afternoon of September 29, beginning its journey to Puerto Rico. Carolyn Cole, Los Angeles Times. Getty Images. Alexis E. Schneider, U.S. Marine Corps. Reuters. Carlos Garcia Rollins. Reuters. Carlos Garcia Rollins. Reuters. Alex Wroblewski. Bloomberg. Getty Images. Akabe Goff, U.S. Navy. Reuters. Carlos Garcia Rollins. Reuters. More from natural disasters.